Well, hello. Welcome back to Omar's Garage. Today we're going to be working on my McLaren Mp4-12C. All right, so if you follow my channel, I've done a couple things on the McLaren. It's been one of the most reliable cars that I've owned. And recently there was these, what they call air Strakes. I'll put it in the description, but they're just these plastic pieces that kind of funnel air to wherever McLaren, needs it to be to give it, all that downforce. These cars are made to go over 200 miles per hour, and everything is designed and engineered for that downforce. And I guess these Strakes have something to do with it. I bought them off of EMF Autos. I put a link in the description. But today we're going to be replacing those. All right, so we're underneath the car. You can see they call them strafes, and they're just there to redirect, I guess, airflow. I'm guessing towards the brakes. I mean, I don't see, it's not really hitting the brakes, but you can see both of them. It's just normal for these things. They break. And like I said, I'll put a list, I'll put in the description a link to where I purchased mine. We're going to be replacing these. Now these are just screws, Allen head, and we'll take a look. Yeah, I need reading glasses now. That's sad. All right, so these are the parts here. Part number, one is 29, one's 30, but it's 1 times, and the other one is 30. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up, figure out which is which. Like I said, I got these from EMF Auto. So there is a part number in there, you can barely see it. It says 29. Get some Superclean up in here. This is all carbon fiber. I'm gonna put a new sticker up here. So there's 2 different size holes. There's one hole that's just round, another one's oval. The oval one goes in the back. So we'll put this just to get it started. Come here. All right, so this is supposed to have this green sticker here, and that's for, so you know where the jack point is. They all get worn after over time. So we're gonna put a new sticker on there today. So if you buy a McLaren Mp4-12C in papaya orange, and you go to lift it and you see my sticker, you'll know that you have Omar's Garage's car. You have my old car. So Let's see. That's where you lift this car up from. You can see all the carbon fiber everywhere in this car. It's beautiful. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty simple procedure. 4 screws on either side. It comes out very easily. It's something that the car sits so low, if anything goes underneath it, or if you go over a speed bump that's too tall, you know, these things get broken easily. And they get brittle, you know, they're plastic. So we've gone ahead and replaced them. I think they were about 200 bucks for the pair, or 250 bucks. So like I said, I'll put the link in the description. But hopefully you enjoy these videos. You know, if you have one of these McLarens and, you know, look under there, you might be surprised that yours are broken as well. So they were broken when I purchased the car and just never got around to fixing them. But hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, just remember to give it a like, leave a comment, and also make sure you subscribe. And with that, I'll see you at the next one. Y'all take care and stay safe.